Conversation between mom and son.
Hi, son. What would you like for dinner tonight?
Hi, Mom. How about spaghetti and meatballs?
Sounds delicious. Do you want to help me cook it?
Sure, I'd love to help. What can I do?
You can start by boiling the water for the pasta.
Got it! I'll get the water boiling while you prepare the sauce.
Great! Let me know when it's ready and I'll add the pasta.
The water is boiling. Should I add the pasta now?
Yes, go ahead and add the pasta. Make sure to stir it occasionally.
Will do! What's next?
While the pasta cooks, we can start making the meatballs.
How do we make them?
We'll need ground beef, breadcrumbs, egg, garlic, and seasoning.
Got it! I'll mix the ingredients together.
Great job! Now we'll form the mixture into small balls.
Okay, I'll do that while you check on the pasta.
The pasta looks ready. Let's drain it and add it to the sauce.
Okay, I'll drain the pasta while you add the sauce.
Perfect! Let's plate the spaghetti and meatballs.
This looks amazing. Thanks for teaching me how to cook, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. I'm glad we could cook together. Enjoy your meal.
I will, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Let me know if you need help with anything else.